This is the job now. Get all this here. So we got one check and 4 carry-on and 1 for the hotel and backpacks into the car. Let's see if all this stuff will fit in the Tesla Model 3. And this will blog this vacation trip to the airport and to Antigua. Okay, we're loading up the Tesla for our trip. We're gonna see if I can. Okay, to maximize space, we're gonna use the front. This is a carry-on luggage and it will fit easily into there. And actually still have some room for some other stuff, so I'll leave it open in case there's anything else we want to put in there. Okay, then we're gonna use the other space down here. I'll show you over here. The lower trunk, so I got my charging cables down there. You should be able to fit another carry-on bag, no problem, down in there. Actually, let's see here. Perfect. And we will take these charging cables and put them in that space that we had at the front. Okay, so we got the carry-on down in here and 1 carry-on there. And then your little backpack in there. Okay, so we got the car fully packed. All that luggage fit in, no problem. We still got the car on charge. We got 431, just so we're fully, it's gonna fill in 30 minutes, but we'll leave just before that. Everything's ready to go. Now we just gotta put the people in the car. We'll give you a report as we go along. We're heading to a barbecue on our way and then heading off to the Alt Hotel at Pearson Airport. What do you think of the planes? Which one do you want to go up in?